Before this course, I had just finished school and I was out of work. I've always been interested in making drinks, whether that be cocktails or in coffee, and I've always enjoyed drinking coffee. It just seemed like a perfect match to join a training course dedicated to making coffee and making drinks.
What drew me to being a part of the coffee industry is the way that it can change people's days. Before this course, I was in my second last year of school and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to be. The past year, I've learned so much from having the course in my school, and I can't wait to see where it leads me.
My favourite thing to learn was latte art because there's so many different ways of doing it and so many different designs you can do. It felt like a really good skill to have, being able to sell stuff to customers. In the future, I would like to own my own coffee shop.
It's definitely a big step going and serving customers rather than teachers or students. Making coffees for people makes me happy because they're so passionate about a drink. There's so much work behind it where you have to make the coffee, you have to froth the milk, but it's so fun doing it.
It's been great to see how they've just developed not only as individuals but as their confidence and their interpersonal skills has grown as well, and giving them that space to practice and to learn and to make mistakes, giving them this platform to really kickstart their career and kickstart their journey in the specialty coffee industry has been amazing.